Hello students, this is Dr. Sunita Patnaik and let's know the most probable and sure short questions as per the current pandemic situation of COVID-19. We should know more about COVID-19 and coronavirus because you are not only going to get it in different medical entrance examinations like NEET, also we are going to face such questions in different technical examinations like civil service also. So, this will be an important session. Let's begin, students. Today's topic for discussion will be most likely questions on COVID-19, SARS-CoV-2 virus for NEET exam, biology, also for 2020 and 2021. Let's begin. Name a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patients to a coronavirus patient who is in critical condition. 4 options are given: plasma therapy, solidarity, remdesivir, hydroxychloroquine. Any guesses? The answer is plasma therapy. Yes, plasma therapy is the clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patient to coronavirus patient who is in critical condition. Next question, what is coronavirus? A. It is a large family of virus. B. It belongs to the family of nidovirus. C. Both A and B are correct. D. Only A is correct. What can be the answer? Answer is C. Both A and B are correct. Yes, it is a large family of virus. Coronavirus belongs to the family of nidovirus family or nidovirales order, which includes Coronaviridae, Asteriviridae and Roniviridae families. So, C is the correct option. Both A and B are correct. Next, which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? A. MERS, B. SARS, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A nor B. Correct answer is C. Both A and B. MERS and also SARS. MERS is Middle East Respiratory Syndrome and SARS is Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. Next question. Mild symptoms of novel coronavirus are A. Fever, B. Cough, C. Shortness of breath, D. All of the above. Any guesses? Answer is D. All of the above. According to WHO, we have to cover our nose, mouth, and we have to use any tissue and throw it in the dustbin. Next question is, name the vaccine that is jointly developed by German company BioNTech and US pharma giant Pfizer for the COVID-19. A option BNT162, B Picovac, C both A and B, D neither A nor B. So the answer is A. BNT162 is the vaccine which is developed by German company and US pharma company. Next question. Thailand announced that it has proceeded to test its novel corona vaccine on which animal or bird? A. Monkeys, B. Lizards, C. Hens, D. Kites. Any guesses for the answer? The answer is A. Monkeys. After successful result on mice, Thailand announced test on monkey. The vaccine uses mRNA technology to weaken the strain of the virus and produce antigens to fight with the virus and produce virus from the root to fight with the virus. Next question. In a study, which cells are found in COVID-19 patients bode well for long-term immunity? A. P cell, B. D cell, C. T cell, D. Endothelial cells. Any guesses? The answer is T cell. T cells are the immune barriers, but their role for SARS-CoV-2 virus that causes COVID-19 is unclear. Research is still going on. Next question. From where coronavirus got its name? A. Due to their crown-like projections. B. Due to their leaf-like projections. C. Due to their surface structure of bricks. D. None of the above. So the answer is A. Due to their crown-like projections. Coronavirus, as observed under electron microscope, resembles crown. Corona in Latin means halo or a crown. So though it is named as coronavirus. What are the precautions that need to be taken to protect from the coronavirus? A. Cover your nose and mouth when sneezing. B. Add more garlic into your diet. C. Visit your doctor for antibiotics treatment. D. Wash your hands after every hour. So the answer is cover your nose and mouth when sneezing as per WHO instructions. So last question. Which nucleic acid is found in novel coronavirus 2? A. Positive sense single-stranded RNA. Negative sense single-stranded RNA. Negative sense double-stranded RNA. Positive sense double-stranded RNA. So the answer is B. Negative sense single-stranded RNA. So students, these are some of the most probable questions which you are going to face this year and also next year. So be ready and all the best for your NEET examination. Thank you.